Hello everyone, welcome to our TPK factory. This is our newly developed motherboard chip repair equipment. Intelligent laser desoldering machine. It has small size and lightweight and can replace infrared VGA rework station, smart hot iron soldering station, soldering iron, heating table, and other equipment. It can be used for dismantling, soldering motherboard components, removing glue, chain planting, flying leads, and so on. Greatly improved maintenance efficiency, save workspace, and bring portability for mobile phone repair work.
Equipped with a high-definition thermal imager, we can accurately and quickly find faults, free control, and constant temperature. After clicking the touch calibration, start the preset temperature at 1 K. Only takes a few seconds to easily remove the chip. The heating area is freely adjusted, supplemented by red light to accurately understand the heating area. At the same time, equipped with adjustable lighting. Customized 4K HDMI CCD image, electronic microscope with a 10-inch high-definition display, clearly displays the image of the work.